Hello guys, welcome back, and today we are going to learn motion matching. So let's see, this is the topics which we are going to cover today. So in this session we are learning how to enable motion matching trajectory plugin, post search, importing animation. This will be the little different from other projects. You have to import some animation so that we can use those animation in motion matching. Okay, so I'll give you the project and I'll attach the link in the description, so from there you all can download. Okay, and after this we'll see the creating third person template as usual we do, and the next thing we'll do the post search schema, and then we'll move for the post search database. In that database we will able to create multiple animations database here. So inside this we'll see edit selection in property matrix, and we'll go with this creating animation blueprint. So let's start the magic how we can work for the motion matching. This is the new technique which comes in Unreal Engine 5.4 and later. Okay, so first of all we need to get the project file of the Lyra, and that Lyra project I just mentioned in my description link. From there you all can download, or else you can go here in the fab library which is here. Okay, so go to the fab library, and from here you will have to search the Lyra. Okay, so Lyra, from here just type. Now you will able to see lots of motion things, motion files which is here. This is the inventory extended, and second one is this Lyra which we are using here. So this is on desk, you can download. Like we have some different projects, so some of you find free, or in the some of you have to pay. So this is the paid version you would like to get professionally, you would like to use, then you have to pay the money. And if you want the free version of this, then go with this. Or like from here, once you type the free, so all the animations and everything, whatever available is in the fab, you all can download. So here I'm just showing you how we can do that. So first thing is we need to get our the template which you have to create. So I think already I've created here. Okay, so one more thing, that is the project of Lyra, and you have to download. Actually this is I've downloaded, but you all can download. I just explained from where you can download, so I'm just opening it. And one more thing we'll do, and that is the template which you have to create. Okay, first person shooter, or like third person. Actually here I'm using third person. Okay, so go to here and select the launch. Okay, so simultaneously we'll work in the both projects. So let's now start it the new template here. So as usual we know, from here in the games template we'll select the third person. Okay, and all will be same, but we are working on blueprint, so this should be enabled. And we are targeting desktop maximum, and actually quality preset will be maximum, not variant is none. Okay, so from here you all can select, but this is in the latest version of Unreal you find these things, but in the older version of Unreal you don't. Okay, so from here we are setting the location where you want to save. So I just created a folder in E drive. Okay, motion matching. So under the motion matching, delete it. I do not want previous version of this. So go to back and select the folder and say yes. So the project is motion underscore matching. Okay, so now say yes. and simultaneously we started working on this Lyra project. So this Lyra project you all can download. So go to the Windows, here we'll select the panel, okay, and this is the details, sorry, so actually yes, load layout UI5, so that we can see the all content browser here. And in this project you find lots of animations. So Lyra is a game template, and here you all can play also and you can see everything. So actually we'll go in the character section. Under the character, this is the heroes, and under the heroes we can select the mannequin and say animation. Under the animation we have locomotion folder. So actually these are the animations, but this time we are using unarmed, this one, okay. So this is the animation which we are going to export in our project, right? So this process is called migrate, okay. So this we are going to do this, okay. So first these two we have to enable, but I'm just importing this animation first, then we'll go with this plugin, okay. Go back to here, and from here I'm selecting this filter, say animation, and say animation segments, okay. So all the sequences can be exported from here, but before that just enable and select all, say Control A, okay, and do right click, and here I'm saying the asset action, okay, say migrate, and select this folder to our content folder, okay. Locate this folder here, okay. Motion matching, actually name is wrong, but it's okay, I can understand. Go to here, under this motion matching folder we have to specify the content, huh? Without the content we cannot put the animation. So here I've selected this content, say select the folder. It is going to create automatically folder for these animations, okay. Okay, so it's done, and let's close this file because it is going to, like use your memory or RAM. So close it. Go to back here in our project, okay. So here we can see the animations. Go to in the character and select the mannequin again. Inside the animation folder, we can see the unarmed. Under this, we can see all the animations, okay. Jog, heroic, mannequin, and animation, locomotion. So unarmed, these are the animations which we are going to use here, okay. The blueprints, right, and these are the animations. Yes, wow. So these are the animations which we are going to export from here, and all projects and like all the animations you find here easily. So not all, but few of animations we are selecting, and we will import in that project, okay. So lots of animation are there, okay. So from here we'll select only the specific animations, which is jogging, right? Jog, stop, jog, uh, forward, backward, left, right. So those things, those animations we are going to export from here. So yes, locomotion and arm. Select all, Control A. Do right click. Here will do asset action, and this is the new option which you get here. Edit selection in property matrix. Select yes, because if we have to enable the matrix here, uh, we have to enable everything. So yes, and again the select all, go to in the root motion, and actually this we have to enable root motion here. So actually some of are like not enabled, some of are enabled. So actually we have to enable all the animations here. So enable root motion, just say yes, and again do the same. And one more thing we have to do, which is force root lock, this one. So just enable this also. So these two things we have to do here in the root motion, and all the animation should be enabled. So it's going to work automatically here once you enable. Then go to back, okay, and go to back in the content folder. So I said actually the second thing is will enable the plugin motion trajectory and the pose search. There's two important plugins which you have to enable here. Go to the first edit menu, and as well we know in the under this plugins we can find the motion trajectory, this, okay. And one more option we have to enable, which is pose search, this one, okay. So once you restart, then it is going to stable everything. Okay, so once you enable the plugins, close it, go to here, and in the content folder, okay, this is the content. Under this we are creating a new files, new commands here. So do right click and go to the animation. Here you will find the motion matching plugin which you enabled. So under the motion matching we have two different options here, which is the post search schema, and second thing is the post search database. So first we'll create the post search schema, right? And here I am just attaching this SK mannequin. Okay, so this is the pose PSS PSS BP. This is not the BP, but it's okay, we are just keeping this name. Okay, so here once you open, then you can see the skeleton and the channels. So in the, under the skeleton you will find all the animations and everything here. It's going to record all the in channels, so trajectory, pose, channels. So this you find here, right? So once you close this, now again we have to create the another option, which is here motion matching. Select this pose search database, okay. So here we have created this, so I'm selecting now this one, okay. So P pose search PSD database, okay. So do double click, and here you can see all the animations and everything here. So actually we are going to import or drag all the animations together in this asset list, okay. So from here also you can add sequence, blend space, and everything is here, okay. So we'll do drag and drop animations, okay. So drag this to here so that we can manage easily. So go to back in the characters again, in the heroes, mannequins, and in the animation section we have the locomotion. Right under the locomotion, I'm just importing the this jog, okay, forward, FWD. So this first one we are going to drag here. So drag this to here like this, okay, and go to back here and select backward, forward, backward, backward, this, backward, drag and drop here, okay. Again we are using this jog, right, this right, drag and drop here, okay. And here we are saying again the left, this left, drag and drop. So it's done, left, right, forward, backward, okay. And one more thing we have to do, jog, start, okay. And this right start, left start, forward start and backward start, these four drag and drop like this, okay. One more thing we have to do, which is the stop part. So I say stop, okay. So again in the stop, all the four poses we have to drag and drop like this. One more thing we have to do in the animation part, jog, start, stop, we done, but here we need idle animation also. So here this ready idle we need to drag and drop like this. So this would be the ready idle and this is the break. So all not we are not going to use, so one I'm taking here, okay. Go to back and actually from like here, say select all, you can see all the animations. Go to in the first frame, yes. So all the animations is happening and all the animations you can see, forward, backward, okay, left, right, stop, everything is here. So go to back and first here go to in the content folder again, I'm creating a new animation blueprint like this. So I'm selecting the SK mannequin which we selected in the previous. So this is the SK mannequin, click here and do a animation blueprint AVP motion matching, okay. So I just created this. Do double click under, you find lots of option because here we are going to create new database for the motion matching. So first thing we have to get here, that is motion matching, okay, and which is here, right. So this we are going to select the PSD database which we created, right. This I am selecting and pose history, this we are going to keep, okay, and connect with this. So actually one more thing we have to do here, but before that I need to get some options. Go to back in the first content folder, here we are we have the mannequin character, right. Inside the mannequin, actually not mannequin, character, third person character, okay, blueprints, this is the character, right. Under this character we need to add the trajectory, this character trajectory, right. This character trajectory we have to add here, okay. Go to back in the database, right, not in the database, sorry, go to here and actually we have the event graph. We were working in the animation graph, but now we are switching to event graph here. So we can find here lots of options to do. So do right click, initialize, initialize, yes, event blueprint initialize animation. So this we are going to set here, and one more step we have to do, which is select this update animation. This we are going to set here, okay, and say cast to third person character BP, right? And this we are going to connect with this. Here we will say as BP third person character. Do right click and say promote to variable. Okay, this character is here, but I say BP. So this is the variable which we created here using this. Okay, now go to here and select this. Okay, drag and drop like this, get BP third person character here. And one more step which is which we have to do here, we have to get the trajectory, get character trajectory, which is here, right? Once you select this, do right click over this, say promote to variable, okay, and this character trajectory we have to connect with this here. So now this is done. Say compile. From here we can do the compile, go to back, and from here I am selecting the trajectory, say what, binding. So this binding method is a bit different. So from here you have to select the character trajectory like this. Okay, so once you done, now go to back, say compile, go to back here, and let's see. Actually in the character trajectory we have just added something. So in the mesh character we need to change the skeletal mesh asset here. So I am selecting the SKM queen, okay, this which is from the Lyra. Okay, so I select, right? So from here I just selected the character, and actually we have additional option which is animation class. So animation blueprint we have created for this character, right? So that character is here, so blueprint animation is here. So that is AVP motion matching which we created. Okay, now you can see, and go back to here in the database. No, close it, because here already we done, so close it. This is the motion matching, and in the event graph already done, close it, and go to back in the third person. So here we have changed the character and animation class we have added. So this we like created here, and we can see in the content folder. So now everything is ready. So save it all, and I'm just going to I would like to play this, how it's going to work here. So I think this blueprint compilation error you will find, because this blueprint we imported from other project, so that character we are using. So once you go to the editor, like see here, so this is the event on revert. I'm just saying it to disconnect. One more option is here, which is this event on apply, and disconnect this. And second thing is the can't connect pins return value, right? So here again say disconnect. So these three steps you have to do so that you can work easily. Now say compile, go to back, and now check whether your character is working or not. So character is like, yes, happening, but the thing is, okay, go to back and select this character, and under this character movement we can see here the rotation. Where is the rotation? Okay, and rotation means directly you can search from this section. So rotation, this one, orient rotation to movement, just disable this and enable this controller desired rotation, this one. Okay, say yes and go to back and check. So okay, so let's see, and yes, character is moving like this. And one more option we have to enable. I would like to see the trajectory, whether like where it's moving. So I would like to see the trajectory. So in the console section, in the console command, I just type trajectory, sorry, TRA trajectory debug, motion trajectory debug. So okay, just a minute. So let's see. Character is like happening here, but I would like to see the motion trajectory here. Yes. Okay. So motion matching is happening, but the thing is here I would like to add the trajectory. Okay, and I want to see the trajectory of the motion. So I say motion. Okay, go to below and here say character trajectory debug space 1 and hit enter. Okay, now go to here and check. Yes, motion trajectory is showing. Okay, so this is the motion matching here we done. Okay, so I hope everyone understood how I created this. So in this lesson we learned lots of things, and I'll go with basic things, which is motion matching. We learn motion matching trajectory, post search, importing animation, creating third person template. Already we did this. Post search schema we used, post search database we used, and here we managed all the data. So edit selection in property matrix, creating animation blueprints. Okay, okay, so thank you guys and bye bye, welcome uh, back. We'll meet in the next session. Okay, bye bye guys. Thank you.